So in this week's video, I'm going to show you the beginning of the kitchen reno. So last week, as you know, I did a lot of drywalling and then I started mudding, but I'm not going to show you that because what's more exciting than that is the beginning of the kitchen reno. This all came together because my brother had some time to come and help me put in the window, which really kicked it all off and started a bit of a snowball effect when it comes to the kitchen. So I'm going to show you this week what that looks like. We're just picking away at things slowly. It's coming together slowly. Little things are happening every day and the attitude is still very positive. The vibes are high. I hope you're as excited to see the transformation as I am. Please enjoy.
Oh, we were so close.
Do you want me to bang?
Well, just give me a second here. No more window. Watch the nails.
So yesterday, Robert, who I met in the drywall aisle at the hardware store, came in and put this wall here. So today, I have to drywall this, so that Robert can come back and hang the door. And amazingly, he has a son who does roofing and carpentry work, and he's coming today to plug the hole where the old stink pipe was and make the hole for the new stink pipe, which is already there. And also do some flashing for the little half roof of the cellar door for the basement, which is not properly flashed, which means it's been leaking down the side of the house, rotting the shingles, and then making its way into the house. He's about to rip a 2x6 to put in the window. I'm here for it. The hole is almost complete. We've got the frame in. And we're just getting out this piece of flashing so that we can take the recip saw and just cut the rest out. And then it's a hole. Oh my God, we did it! This is what you do when you had to unplug your stove and take out a window in the kitchen and have a giant opening, but no stove. You put your barbecue on the counter. I kind of like it.
right, is everybody ready?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'm in. Hopefully. Look at that. Okay, you got the window?
Yeah.
Great. Yeah, where's the camera?
Hammer right here.
Yeah, that'll make that kitchen.
That looks nice, Beth.
Yay! You're the first to see it. Thank you both so much.
That looks nice. Right? Okay. Sits on there like that. That would come down. Your shingles would go on. So there's not a prayer in hell for rain or water. Okay. My God, what a world of
Yeah!
Wait till you do that one.
I'm so excited. It's worth it.
Oh my God, Jeff.
It's so hard, but it's worth it.
This is what it sounds like, huh?
Holy cow.
What?
So awesome.